I got a box from Creative Notions, and I always am so excited to get these boxes because I love what's inside them. Hey there, I'm Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. If we haven't met, I love to share tips, tricks, and tutorials for the modern quilter. I love to help you do what you need to do to have more fun and more creativity in your life. And today I'm sharing with you my Creative Notions box. This one happens to be the one for November 2022. Now, I've mentioned this in a couple of my other videos. Because of all of the pandemic and all of the shipping delays and stuff, they are behind on their boxes. But they have been so forthcoming with all the information, and this company, I followed them for a really long time. They're growing like immensely, and I'm so happy for them. Like, they're doing an amazing job. They're working to get caught back up on their boxes because this is November. We're in March now. So they got a little bit to get caught up, but they are fastly getting caught up, and I love it. But they've also told me some things this month that are really good news. So they have a Facebook group that's called Creative Notions Group, and it's for subscribers, and it has all the information on when boxes are shipping out, what the timeline is, all of that. If you're not a member of that and you are a subscriber of this box, please go ahead, join in that group, because it's got a ton of really good information, as well as interaction with other subscribers, which is really fun. Another perk of being a subscriber, you get 10% off their shop. Amazing, okay? Always good to have a good discount. And if you do not follow them on YouTube, I'm going to put the link in the description box down below so that you can follow them on YouTube. They've got really good tutorials and things that they're sharing on their website. Here, if you'd like to know what's in the box, there you go. It's right there on that pink side. So it is $93, but that is not what you pay because of the way subscription boxes go. You get to pay a discounted rate and have it shipped to your door. This company does ship to Canada and a few other countries as well. You'll need to check their website, which again will be in the description box down below. One fun thing that they send every month is a recipe posted by one of their subscribers, which is really fun. Okay, we have, oh, this is gonna be cute. Oh, you can't see it. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can get in this. Here are some of the patterns that are included. So every single month we get a multitude of patterns, a multitude of products, and just a really good mix of fun quilting goodies, okay? So we have a garden bloom quilt block right here. Isn't that pretty? That's a gorgeous one. I love that. And then we also have a garden bloom quilt for a poinsettia. So we got two flower blocks. And these diagrams have everything laid out on them so that you know step by step, cut for cut, everything that you need to do. Another pattern that we have in here is a spring quilt and pillows. Isn't that cute? I love. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. I have been so into these like orange peel designs recently. Did you guys see the quilt the quilt pattern that I bought when I was at the QuiltCon a couple weeks ago? Did you see that? Do you see? It's showing up everywhere in my life. There was a quilt pattern that I bought that had orange peel designs in it. They may have called it something different, but this one has those same orange peel like designs, these little like petal things right here. And I love those. They're very classic. They feel very traditional to me. Okay, what's next is I'm going to try and pull this out very nicely so I can show you. Wow, look at this binder. So on the side, it is a Maker's Planner and Pattern Keeper binder. They have very nicely put these beautiful covers in here and on the back as well. But the reason I'm holding it so tightly is, can you see everything that is like lined up in here? Okay, now I'm gonna go through and show you all the stuff that is on here, because I knew we get fabric in every single box, which is fun because it helps you build your fabric stash, and a good piece of candy in there that will go in the snack drawer for later. Oh, look at this! Look at this! Do you see this? Oh, this is so much fun. I love these rulers. When I saw that pattern, I was like, Oh, please, please, please let them have rulers for this, because rulers make such a difference in the accuracy of your quilting, okay? These rulers are amazing. Like, I have a bunch of their rulers because accuracy when you're quilting is one of the most important things, right? If you're off a 1/4 of an inch, things aren't going to line up right. They're not going to work right. They're not going to look great, right? Rulers are important, okay? I have been there back in my quilting days where I thought cutting a piece of like cardstock or even like the side of an Amazon box or something, you know, that rigid cardboard was going to be my template. And you know what? When you do a rotary cutter, if you slice off like little bitty tiny bits of it, it's no longer accurate, right? So these acrylic rulers are the best way to go. And oh, I'm so excited. I love that orange peel design, and now I have a nice ruler that can help me with that. I also have the ruler that came with that pattern that I got from Quilt Show, but I gotta say, while I haven't tried that ruler out, I know for a fact that I love these because these rulers are nice and clear. They have everything printed on them, and that purple outside piece right there, it is a little bit of a texture on the back, so it stays in place on your fabrics. It makes it really, really good. Okay, so yay for this, as well as detailed directions on the back, how to put together the block that you make with this. Check this out. Cute fabrics. Look at how precious these fabrics are. Okay, so yes, this is a panel. So we got like a cute flower one, a red truck, this one right here with like a little blue chair, and then a blue car. Isn't that cute? So this feels very Valentine's-y inspired, you know, and there's actually, okay, since I showed you those four, I might as well show you the others that are on the panel. It says love. What is this one? This one is a flower vase. And then on the other side, there's a pretty pink panel with a bike and a blue dog. Hugs and kisses. That's adorable. That is really cute. Do you see that? That's really cute. So we have a panel that comes with. That's this quilt right here. Do you see it? Do you see the flowers? Do you see like the blue check? Do you see all of the different pieces right here that I just showed you? Those are all little panels that we cut, and then we make these cute little blocks right here with the orange peel design with, ta-da, these fabrics. Okay, so these are gorgeous fat quarters. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 fat quarters here, all beautifully matched and put together to make this exact quilt, which is really cool. I love that because not only do you have an idea for a quilt, you see the whole thing finished right here. And then you can make your own decision, you know, do you want to make it exactly like this, or do you want to change things up and do things a little bit differently? Do you want to place them differently? But you can have a good visual for that. Okay, so let's see what else is in this binder. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so what we have is all of the dividers to go inside our binder right here. Okay, so this has all of the months on this side right over here, and then there's something else in the back here, which I think I know what it is. I'm gonna be pretty happy if it is what I think it is. Oh, as well as clear divider sheets in the back here too. I mean, they really like gave you everything you need in this binder here. This is what I was thinking it is. Very excited because they gave one of these last year and I loved it. Okay, this is a little bit big, but it is a 2023 calendar. I get it, we're already in 2023, but remember when they designed this, it was not yet 2023. So it has color charts on it. It has months as well as dates and things on it. I can't back up quite enough to show you, but everything on here in a nice, beautifully quilty inspired wall calendar. Pretty awesome. Now, people have asked me if I know the company well, and I would say at this point, I feel like I know the Creative Notions company and the staff that work there really, really well. The owner of the company, her name is Vicky, and she is so, so sweet. I know that she works so hard in putting these boxes together. It is a difficult job to create a subscription box business, okay? I know. I looked into it, okay? I know, I looked into it. And it's a difficult job to not get repeats in there, but still maintain the same ooh and ah over, 4.5 years that they've been doing this business with every single box. So if you go over to her website and you subscribe to her boxes and the Creative Notions like quilt shop and all the wonderful things that they have on their site, do me a favor, tell them who sent you. I want to send a lot of love their way. I love supporting good, strong companies that have really, really good product and good heart behind their products as well. So tell her that I sent you, Kristen from IC Stars Quilting, and give her a little bit of love for me, because Creative Notions is really, really a good company and they deserve it. So I hope that you liked looking through that box. We got some fun little things in there. You know I love to be organized. You know I love to be organized. So it's really exciting to get like the binder with all of the tabs and everything just like we got last year. It makes me really happy so I can put everything in there really nicely for the following year and all the wonderful things that I get from Creative Notions and the subscription to their company. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Sew something pretty, make something wonderful, and I'll talk to you next time. I'm Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. I'll see you soon. Bye.